Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel, Learn English with BarSu. This story will be based on the present perfect tense, which is used to indicate some past actions that have present consequences. Listen to the story and then answer some questions at the end. This method will help you improve your English speaking and listening skills. So without any further delay, let's get started. Alex has lived in Sydney his entire life. He has also completed his studies in Sydney. Currently, he works in New Zealand. Alex has decided to visit his family on New Year's Day. His family lives in Sydney. Today, he goes to the shopping mall. And he has bought many gifts to surprise his family. Among the gifts, he has purchased 2 new dresses for his mother and a smartwatch for his father. Later, he returns home and books a flight to Sydney. Alex has arrived in Sydney and drives to his parents' house. His parents love the gifts that Alex has brought for them. And then he enjoys the food that has been cooked by his mother. His mother has made his favorite pasta. Pasta has been Alex's favorite dish since his childhood. After having a fulfilling meal, he hears a doorbell at his house. One of his friends from school has come to meet Alex. They haven't seen each other for the past 3 years. Alex is very happy to meet him, and they have been talking for hours about their lives. Alex then decides to throw a New Year's party at his place. Alex has invited all his friends, family, and neighbors to the party. For the preparation, he has been to a nearby store to get some stuff for the party. Alex has picked up some decorative items, snacks, and food for everyone. But he decides to bake the cake on his own, so he has not bought one. Returning home, Alex has baked a delicious vanilla cake using a recipe that he has found online. He has also beautifully decorated his house using balloons and lights and has done all the preparation for the party. It's evening and the guests have arrived. Alex welcomes everyone and wishes them a great new year. To make the party more happening, Alex has turned on some music. Now everyone is craving the cake. So Alex has brought it and has kept it on the table. He has also put some fancy candles on the cake. And Alex's mom has lit the candles. The guests have eaten the mouth-watering cake that Alex has baked. Alex has received many compliments for his cooking. Later, everyone enjoys the party, and it has been a great celebration. Now, I hope that you have listened to the story carefully. Let's start with answering some questions. You can also pause the video if you want, or just continue with us and answer together. So without any further delay, let's get started. Has Alex lived in Paris his entire life? No, he hasn't. He hasn't lived in Paris his entire life. Alex has lived in Sydney his entire life. Has Alex gone to school in New Zealand? No, he hasn't. He hasn't gone to school in New Zealand. Alex has gone to school in Sydney. Has Alex also worked in Sydney? No, he has not. He hasn't worked in Sydney. He has worked in New Zealand. Has Alex been to the amusement park today? No, he hasn't. He hasn't been to the amusement park. He has been to the shopping mall. Has Alex been to the shopping mall to purchase a pair of shoes? No, he hasn't. He hasn't been to the shopping mall to purchase a pair of shoes. He has been to the shopping mall to buy dresses and watch for his parents. Has Alex bought anything for himself? No, Alex hasn't bought anything for himself. He has bought gifts for his parents. Has Alex bought 4 dresses for his mother? No, he hasn't bought 4 dresses for his mother. Alex has got only 2 dresses for his mother. What has Alex bought for his father? Alex has bought a smartwatch for his father. To which place has Alex booked a flight? Alex has booked a flight from New Zealand to Sydney. Who has cooked food for Alex? Alex's mother has cooked the food for Alex. What has been Alex's favorite food since childhood? Pasta has been his favorite food since childhood. Has it been only 1 year that Alex has not met his friend? No, it has not been 1 year that Alex has not met his friend. It has been 3 years since they have seen each other. Has Alex thrown a birthday party at his place? No, he hasn't. He has not thrown a birthday party at his place. He has thrown a New Year's party at his place. Why has Alex gone to a nearby store? Alex has gone to a nearby store to get some stuff for the New Year's party. Has Alex brought fruits and vegetables from the store? No, he hasn't brought fruits and vegetables from the store. He has got some decorative items, snacks, and food for the party. Has Alex also bought the cake? No, Alex hasn't bought the cake. He has baked the cake on his own. How has Alex decorated the house for the party? Alex has decorated the house using balloons and lights. Has Alex invited only his friends to the party? No, Alex has invited his friends, family, and neighbors to the party. What has Alex done to make the party more happening? Alex has turned on the music to make the party more happening. Has everyone been craving pasta? No, everyone has not been craving pasta. They've been craving the cake. Who has lit the candles on the cake? Alex's mom has lit the candles on the cake. Has Alex received criticism for his cooking? No, Alex hasn't received criticism for his cooking. Rather, he has received many compliments for it. Has everyone enjoyed the party? Yes, everyone has enjoyed the party, and it has been a great celebration. That's the end of this video. Thank you for watching. Remember to practice English every day to improve your English skills. Watch this video at least 3 times a month and repeat daily conversations to improve your listening and speaking skills fast. It will enhance your speaking fluency. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for this type of video. And what is your score in the review yourself? Please tell me in the comment box.